Here is a recording for the price action on Friday, January 11th. I'm actually going to show both January 10th and January 11th to highlight how this simulation works. And also I'll show you how ABC pattern is formed. At this point, ABCs are not simulated in the platform, but what I was going to show you, I was going to highlight a platform, I was going to highlight the pattern and show you how it actually evolved. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I have a ES 1220 tick chart. I'm going to first simulate this chart and also one of the moving average, like 200 period moving average, and the other one is I'm going to simulate a fib bands. So once we started, so I turned all three of them on. So this is actually even Wednesday's price action, and then we'll see the Friday. This is Thursday, and then we'll see the Friday. Actually, that's where I'm going to interest and highlight the price action here. So this is the market is rolling, and you could actually come and change the speeds. So let's just speed it up a little bit, and the top ones what we have is the red and the green on the top, that's the fib bands. The magenta line is a 200 period moving average. So now let's just see and how this pattern actually evolved, and so now the pattern actually started forming it. Of course, we don't know even here that there is an ABC pattern yet. But what I want to do is I wanted to pause at one point and then initiate the ABC pattern. And so let's just suppose around here I wanted to pause it, and then let's just go ahead and not that. Let's see if I highlight ABC pattern here. So once you initiate it, it actually now it shows this is an ABC pattern, and this is exactly what I actually traded this on that day on Friday. So this is the 111 action, and I did trade this once the price crossed about this EL level, and that's the 1464, and that was my first entry, and the entry was about like 1040 1045 time frame. And then my first goal was to get to this 1468 was my first target, and 1472 and higher was the next targets. But look at the Friday's action and what happened. And so one of the this magenta line is the 200 period moving average. So now let's just start actually playing it. So it hit this 200 period moving average plenty of times, and it came back and retested my EL level multiples of time, and it took almost 4 hours for this pattern to emerge on Friday. So on this second time when it actually came back and hit it, I pretty much lost it, and I just said I'm just not going to wait until this is going to form, because if you look at it, the pattern, let me highlight part of it here. So this particular price action, so from my entry until here, until here, this is about 4 hours of a price action. So it's quite frustrating, but then I was still trading it, and so about 2:30 time frame I actually placed my stop. Pretty much I moved it to break even, so I knew that when next time it hits it, then I will be out of the market, which exactly what happened. I was out of the market, and then it started rolling, but I guess I just didn't care after that.